Okay, you know where we're going, to the green thing, so I'll meet you at the green thing. For this first part, I'm going to have you go in front of me just because I want to film you a little bit. Okay? But just go to that red thing there and you should be able to stop. Okay? Someone on your left. Okay. You doing good? Okay, I'm gonna go by you and get stopped over on the other side of this cat track that we talked about. I can't. I'm gonna stop because I gotta tighten my boot. See? Better?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's always on something like this where it's got one down, one up. Try to stay on the upper side of the cat track.
Okay.
Then you don't have to worry about going down someplace you don't want to go down.
Okay.
And you should be able to see where we're going from here to the where we were. And when you see like a slow sign or a merged traffic, if you can stop close to that sign, then we're not blocking traffic because they got to go around the sign anyway. If you want to stop by that snowboarder where it says trails merge, see if you can stop over there. You can go to the high side of him. Good job. And so this is where you went down.
I am not going to go down that way. I'm going to go down that way.
Okay.
Can I?
Yeah. Why? You went down this way the first time.
I know, that's steep. That's steep. I mean.
So you want to go by the fence that direction?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I just wait for not ears.
Huh?
I just wait for not Peter coming down.
Yeah. Just start across when you see that nobody's going. After the snowboarder goes, then. But you see what I mean by staying on the high side? Because it tries to push you down the side anyway. Yes. Yay! I'm glad you stopped though. I thought you were going around the other side of the fence.
Oh my God. Still way faster than I want to go. I cannot get it to slow down. I don't know how to get it to slow down on that part.
Again, when you start going, you turn uphill basically. Keep turning, whichever way you turn best. Turn and try to go towards the trees.
Okay.
Because it'll stop you.
Okay.
The thing was is that you weren't turning very far.
No, I wasn't turning it at all.
Yeah.
Really.
So.
Yeah. You okay?
I'm good. Just I was laughing so hard. I was like, well, I got it on video this time.
Slow down. Slow down. Come on, please, please, please don't fall. Please don't fall.
Well, see, and you know, Ron tells you to push your toe, and I thought about it, and
I
I'm
couldn't.
sitting.
I was on the back of my heels.
And that's, you know, but what I do is I push this toe and pull this one up, or opposite. If I'm whatever, and so if I'm paying attention to my feet,
Yeah.
then you tend to move forward.
Okay. Are you gonna be able to get up?
Oh yeah, I just do.
I do not.
I was exhausted. I was exhausted to the point where it was like, I was laughing so hard. What I need to do is take this one off.
Yeah, I had to take it.
I might as well just take them both off. I was going to try to do it without